Wireless charging of the smartphone. That means charging stations are barely recognizable as such, and you can charge your smartphone completely without cable spaghetti or a hectic search for the cable openings. And now this is not only possible at home, but also in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. A list of Qi-compatible devices can be found on the Mercedes-Benz mobile homepage. By the way, Qi means inductive energy transfer. Depending on the vehicle equipment, your smartphone is also connected to the vehicle antenna via the charging module. Let's try it out. Turn on the ignition. Both the wireless charging and the connecting to the external antenna work best without a protective sleeve on the smartphone. Here in the middle console is the contact mat. Place the mobile phone in the middle and with the display on top. If your smartphone is too large for the storage, it can be that charging is not possible. When you've positioned the device correctly, charging starts automatically, and you'll see the charging symbol in the multimedia display. Error messages are also displayed. And you can also clean the mat. It's easy to remove. However, you should only charge your phone when the contact mat is in place. So let's see how much my smartphone has charged in the meantime. Well, that's pretty good, and completely wireless. Very nice.